Alright, hey guys, so we are at the starting point of today's trek. As you can see, this is the Refugio, I guess, 2,333 meters. And then we should be walking mainly flat or down the mountain today. And this is the view that we get. I don't know if you can see it very well. We're greeted with this wonderful view on this trek. It's incredible. And we just started too. And the sky is so blue. No clouds today. So people will probably get a really good tan towards the end. And I'll probably get really burned if I don't apply more sunscreen. Today we are at Tre Cime di Lavareto. Butchered the name, killing it. And then there's a church there, built by some of the locals, I guess. There was a guy who was probably the guy who discovered it. Lived 100 years. Died a few days after his 100th birthday. So now we made it up here and had some lunch, and now we're ready to go for the afternoon trek. We did not expect to see the lake here. That was a very pleasant surprise. It's called the, I don't know, it says the Padova? I have no idea. But we are at 2,450 meters and going. So it was a really nice, as you can see, we were all sitting here having lunch, facing the lake. Just wonderful view, beautiful view. It was really good. Bad thing is there's no toilet, so that was a bit difficult for some of the people. And Chong was very upset that we didn't have any ham.
Still upset.
Still very upset. He's like on his period. Alright guys, so this is almost the end of the trek today. This is at the bottom. We just came down from that mountain over there. And then we're going up that mountain over there. We're on the final climb up the hill. Apparently it's the last ascension that we're gonna have in Dolomites. I think I got the name right. It's been great. So pretty good. Come here. Come here. Hey. This is the final time we're going to be in Dolomites, trekking or hiking. And I would just like to say it's been very amazing. The view here has been incredible. I mean, look at that. Just everywhere you go, you will find something different, something amazing, something that makes you go, wow, relaxed. Really in touch with nature. And yes, there are a lot of places to take photos like that. But yeah, thank you Dolomites and this area.